Running JMeter scripts from your local system is not a scalable option because you are limited to use the resources available on your local computer. However, Taurus provides you an option of cloud provisioning by using BlazeMeter. You can use cloud provisioning to execute your JMX scripts on the cloud by accessing your BlazeMeter account. To do this, you don't need to be a premium customer of BlazeMeter since a free tier account allows you to execute cloud tests. You can choose one of the various cloud locations provided by BlazeMeter to generate the load. In this demonstration, you will create a JMeter YAML script, access the BlazeMeter application, identify API key, execute the script, view results in Taurus console, view the results in BlazeMeter UI, and generate executive summary report. Now let's see how to execute the Taurus script using cloud. That is, it will generate the load using BlazeMeter cloud. So that's why I have specified the location here. So the load will be generated in US East, that is Virginia cloud location available in BlazeMeter. If we don't specify the location, it will generate the load on the default location, that is Google location. Now let's see how we specify the API key for cloud load provisioning. For this we use the bzt-rc file. So the bzt-rc file is in my directory here, notepad. So here is my bzt-rc file specifying the API key. So in bzt-rc is secured because it doesn't expose your API key in any of the other YAML file. To specify the API key, if you scroll down in bzt-rc file, look for this token keyword. Token keyword, you can specify the API key ID and the API token. Now let's see how to get this token from the BlazeMeter. So go to BlazeMeter, log in with your credentials. Once you sign in, you will see the default workspace here. Click on this drop down and click on the settings tab. So once you click on the settings tab, you see on the right hand side you see API keys option. Click on this menu item, and right now you see there are no API keys generated. So to generate the API key, click on this plus icon and give a name for this API key generation. So I give here it is for API key demo. So I specify API key demo, and you can set when it can expire as well. So I just set it for 1 month and click generate. So now the token has been generated for us. So this is the key ID. You can copy this key ID and go to the RC file. So in this bzt-rc file, you can paste this token here. The colon joins the API ID and the secret. Now we go back to the secret. So this is API key secret. You can copy this by clicking on this icon and go back to the code. Copy this secret by clicking on this, that is copy to clipboard icon, and go to the notepad, paste the secret here. Now save this bzt-rc file, close it, and we use this script to execute on the cloud. So I have set the request here, blazedemo.com and blazedemo.com/reserve.php. And the other settings like how many virtual users, how much time it will take for ramp up, how much time it has to hold for, all that you can specify over here along with the locations. Now to execute the script, I go back to this command. So I give bzt3.yaml with cloud option. So when you give this cloud option, it will generate the load on the cloud. Otherwise, it will run on your local machine. So running on local machine will not give you performance testing results. So we run it on cloud. So I press enter key here to run on the cloud. Now it starts the test. It initiates a cloud test now. We will also see on the Taurus console, and it will also enable the BlazeMeter option for us. Now the test has started, and you can see that it got initiated and it starts the BlazeMeter here on this browser. You can see here the console is waiting, started the script, and look at the location. The location, whatever we have specified in the script, in which the cloud, in this cloud, the load will be generated for us. This would take around 2 minutes to start. So it has received the servers and downloading the engine image now. Meanwhile, you can also see in the console. Console is also waiting for data. Okay, so here also you can see the agents. We are using US East. The cloud test number is given here. The same number you can also find it over here. You can also see the status in the command prompt. The command prompt, it shows the cloud test start status. It is boot starting. It is initialized the script, and now Taurus engine is getting initialized. You can also see the status here. Taurus engine initialized. Now it has started the execution. So you can also see here what time it has started. Here also I can see the status on the command prompt that the data received. Now you can go to the console and see the information from console as well. You can see the console. Now console displays how many virtual users, how many are active, what is the hit percentage, hits. You can see the request labels, blazedemo.com, so.php, demo.com. How many hits for each request, what is the failure percentage, average time it takes to execute those requests, as well as on the BlazeMeter. So here you can see at what time the test started, so how much duration it is being executed for now. You can see the location, what is the test type, so you can see that it was invoked from Taurus, response code, how much time it will take for completion. So it says data received. We will also see what's there on the console. So console says the statistics now. Okay, so now you can see that it has completed its execution here. So you can see it took 4 minutes to complete, so 5:21, around 3 minutes, more than just 3 minutes. It has completed its execution. Here you can see all the data. You can also see the information in the console, that is BlazeMeter. So you can see the other information here as well. Thank you.